Hi friends, it's Sandy over at Needle Nut Embroidery, Moss Baby Farms. Just in here going to do some embroidery today. It is the week of Thanksgiving, so happy early Thanksgiving. Today is Monday, the 25th. It's hard to believe that it's this time of year already. But I wanted to let you know that I am working on the seed saving video. It's been a little tricky to know exactly what information to put in there for you guys as one video or to break it down into sections for you. We are going into our super busy time of embroidery, so not sure if you'll be able to see since I am on the computer camera, but over there on the side are, I don't know, 4 or 5 boxes, and one box due in today and another one due in before we go to see family for Thanksgiving. So I will bring you along for that, just a little update. So, but if there isn't a specific question or seed saving issue that you would like to know more about, drop it in the comments. Always be sure to like and subscribe. And we will start going over some of these things as we prep for the next season. Like I said, we're into our really busy season for embroidery. So, maybe a couple weeks in between getting some videos for the seed saving. Hope to get this off on the 20th of December, so that will free some things up. We still have flowers, and I will post a short video probably by a couple hours from today's video, just a short little let you see what's going on in the back field and how those cosmos have just exploded. We do have a hard freeze coming this weekend, so we will be prepping for some of that, but it's just a pop in, say hello, wish you the very happiest of Thanksgivings, to make sure that's safe and great for your family and for you. I don't know about you guys, but when it starts to get cold, I'm just like, gardening season's over, to the point of actually seeing it grow and putting it in the ground. But it just means it's time to start looking and planning all next year's gardening. So that is exciting to me, and we'll be going through that. But like I said, this is just a pop in, say hello, wish you a happy Thanksgiving, remind you that in this season, our nerves, our patience can be tried. And when we get with all of our family members, some that we really like and some that we don't, remember, they are family. And remember, they may be going through something that they haven't talked to you about. And things can get a little rough. Emotions can run high. And when emotions run high and feelings start to surface, sometimes our mouths and our tongues want to wag and say things that later on we'll regret. So for this holiday season coming up, remember to smile. Thank the Lord for your family, and thank Him for everything that you have. And when things get a little tense, there's nothing wrong with just, do that smile, that clamp down. Don't say things that you're going to regret, and always just enjoy one another. There's always that one person that's going to push your buttons, but you are able to control what you say, what you do, and how you address that person. If the situation's becoming so sticky, becoming heated, or very hurtful, you can gracefully step back, go somewhere quiet, and say, you know what? I've got to find one thing to be thankful for. At least help me find one. Focus on that. Take a deep breath and go back at it. Remember, Thanksgiving only comes one time a year, and sometimes some family members you only see that one time, or maybe again on Christmas, but they're still family. And remember, if you were on their shoes, how would you want somebody to treat you? Doesn't cost anything to be ugly, and it doesn't cost anything to be kind. That's just my tidbit for the day. Take it or leave it. It was free of charge. But I know sometimes it's easier said than done. But you never know what tomorrow holds. And, as Scarlett O'Hara would say, after all, tomorrow is a brand new day. Y'all stay fun. Y'all stay happy. Remember to smile a lot. And we'll see you in the next video.